So I hung the door to try and see the alignment. You can see up in the top the alignment's good. The fit's good. Nothing hits. These gaps look good. Give me a second, I'll put the bottom skin on. Just place it, see how it looks. This is what it's going to look like with the skin on it. So I think we're in good shape. Nothing's hitting. The lines look good. Down here, the gaps are pretty good. I got to move this side up a little bit. Not sure if you can see it. Just a fraction going up, and now close that gap up there. And all I got to do is shape the bottom a little bit and it'll lift it up. You can see where the gap's a little bit wider here on the bottom than that, and that will fix that and line it. And can't move it too much because I don't want to get the side panels off, but I think it's going to look pretty good. Almost there.